This right here is a pilon, also known as a mortar and pestle. What's a pilon? It's an old school Haitian cooking tool. This right here is the OG kitchen tool. Long before blenders, we were crushing garlic and herbs the natural way. Just to give you an example, I have a clove here and a couple of berries that I'm gonna add in. Just to let you take a look. Now you just mash this around. You're trying to get a grinding technique going. And you just wanna bring this down to like a dust consistency. This right here again is the natural way. It gives a richer flavor and keeps tradition alive. Haitian kitchens still rock with this. And when you're done, the inside should look something kind of like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more.